हिप जॉइंट्स की इंजरी से +50 एंड +60 ईयर्स की पॉपुलेशन में बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ लाइफ हो जाती है जस्ट फॉर द रीज़न दे गेट डीमोबिलाइज्ड। वो अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफस्टाइल्स को आगे कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाते एंड इट एक्चुअली shortens the lifespan of the individual. आपकी hip joints की mobilization और mobility इतनी important होती है when you're working out. If you don't cover your hip joints practiced movements, it can lead to substantial injuries. Basic squats में भी आपकी hip joints की बहुत ज़्यादा movement involved होती है. So good trainers, they make you work out for hip thrust over a barbell. You have a supine position on the bench and you perform your hip thrust exercises. So let's replace this now with WGPL85 hip thrust machine for your gyms, for your clients. So what makes WGPL85 hip thrust more unique? Number one, you could adjust the platform to different variable heights. जैसे आप इसका angle of alignment change करेंगे, it hits your different muscle groups. Number two, you could also adjust the glide. So कई बारी आपको अगर length shorten चाहिए because the user height is smaller and there are people who are slightly taller in height. So आप इसकी stride को adjust कर सकते हैं, thereby giving enough space for the user to perform their exercises. Now you have another adjustment here. The pneumatic shocker will give you that lift. You could adjust the angle, setting it to your abdominal so that आप proper squeeze feel कर पाएं and also you could lift it very nicely without having a gap between your abdominal and the rest pad. So as a gym owner, why is this machine so phenomenal and so important for your gyms? Manual exercises जितनी हम कर रहे थे, अगर हम अपने clients को वहाँ से detach करके towards the machine incorporate करते, number one आपका human resource का effort बहुत minimize हो जाता है. As a gym owner, why is PL85 hip thrust so important for your gyms? अगर आपने अपने रेगुलर क्लाइंट्स को मैनुअल असिस्टेड ट्रेनिंग से मशीन असिस्टेड ट्रेनिंग में इनकॉर्पोरेट नहीं करवाया, वेयर इज द डिफाइनिंग एज? The global trending gyms are now moving from manual workouts and they're attaching their subjects to the gym equipment. Gym equipment में इतनी advancements हो चुकी है. Now the equipment is inviting that lobby of people who were earlier not coming to the gyms because to them gymming means body बन जाएगी. Strength training नहीं कर सकते, हमारे बस में नहीं है. Equipment has now become so inviting जिसके अंदर आप speed and power training and controlled movement rehab training, जो लोग बाहर जाके फिटनेस एक्टिविटीज़ परफॉर्म करते थे वो जिम्स पे आके अपनी रेगुलर रेजिमेंट को मशीन्स के साथ अटैच करके कनेक्शन फील कर पा रहे हैं. स्पीड एंड पावर ट्रेनिंग इज द लेटेस्ट मंत्रा अगर आपने जिम्स को सक्सेसफुल बनाना है. WGPL85 विल एड अनदर टिंच टू योर एफर्ट्स इन प्रमोटिंग स्पीड एंड पावर ट्रेनिंग बिकॉज वो लॉबी ऑफ पीपल हु अकाउंट फॉर अबाउट 80-85% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन हु आर इनटू फिटनेस but they are not coming to the gyms. Gyms पे out of the entire population it's about 2 and 2.5% of people who are coming right now. उस lobby को जो miss कर रहे थे आप, which is such a big lobby, these are the hardware which will get you closer to them. Lastly, आपने अपने सोशल मीडिया कैंपेन्स को कम्प्लीटली रीस्ट्रक्चर करना है बिकॉज अब सोशल मीडिया टुडे इज़ नाउ इंटरेस्ट मीडिया. आपका अब रिलीज़ किया हुआ कंटेंट उस पर्टिकुलर लॉबी तक 100% रीच आउट करता है बिकॉज ऑफ AI एल्गोरिथम्स. So whatever feed you're releasing will now reach the right audiences who are looking for a solution around basic fitness but not strength training. जो strength training audience है वो surely आपको find out कर लेगी. आपका gym कहीं पे भी होगा. The people don't need much of the training instruments. They can surely find your gym. They can train very well. But the only issue is those lobby now is very controlled. It's very limited. So let's penetrate into a larger lobby. Let's make your gyms more happening, more successful and loaded with general population who are not coming to you. Speak to Wellness Gym Equipment if you wish to add disruptive equipment technology, especially PL85 now for your gyms. Talk to us.